Do you know the feeling of chasing one online money-making idea after another, thinking this could be the one, only to end up feeling more stuck than before? That was me. Every idea seemed promising at first, but none of them worked. It's called the shiny object syndrome. You jump from one thing to another when the first glamour is gone and the real work and problems are coming up. But there is some hope. So someday this year, I was again frustrated, but also motivated, searching for a good way to make money online. And I stumbled into the YouTube business. It was the whole time directly in front of my nose. I have watched videos every day, and then I wanted to switch sides and start creating instead of consuming. I started to get my hand dirty, and here's one important thing. I don't have millions of subscribers. I don't even have 1,000. YouTube has changed my life in ways I never expected. Let me show you how it happened. A couple of months ago, I was just like so many people, Googling things like how to make money online and binge watching tutorials on passive income ideas. It felt like there had to be a better way to make money from home, right? I tried a little bit of everything. Trading crypto sounded great until I realized how complicated it was and how much money I'd need up front. Freelancing? Sure, I got some gigs, but it felt like I was always chasing deadlines for tiny paychecks. And those paid surveys? Let's just say I earned more in frustration than I ever did in dollars. Nothing felt really right. Nothing clicked. And every failure made me feel like I was wasting my time. So I watched some more videos and understood how powerful YouTube can be. That's when I decided to give YouTube my whole energy, and that's how my YouTube journey began. When I started my channel, I didn't have any experience. No expensive software, no knowledge about script writing or video editing. I just started to create channels and producing my first YouTube shorts. My first video? It was a mess. The script was bad, the video editing was terrible, and I didn't want it to show my face. But you know what? It didn't matter. For the first time, I was making something just for the fun of it. I didn't know much about how to grow on YouTube or the YouTube algorithm, but I loved learning. I loved trying, and I loved the quick feedback from the YouTube Studio app. Every new view was a win for me. It felt like a new challenge, which was definitely worth accepting. Of course, it wasn't all fun and games. After a few weeks, reality hit me. My videos weren't getting views. Most of the time, they were sitting at 10 or 20 views, half of them from myself. It was frustrating. I'd put hours into making a video, planning, scripting, editing, only to feel like no one cared. There were days I thought, maybe this just isn't for me. And again, I almost quit so many times. I'd watch these big YouTubers and think, how can I ever compete with them? I don't have their skills, their budget, or their audience. It felt impossible. But there was something unexpected. Even when the numbers weren't growing, something else was happening. I was changing. The turning point wasn't a big viral video or a sudden spike in subscribers. It was the little things, like the first time someone left a comment that wasn't my friend or family, or the first time a video got 100 views. Those small wins meant everything to me and are still giving me hope for this channel. The numbers are still small, but there is something more important. I am actually enjoying myself. I loved coming up with ideas, improving my videos, and figuring out how to tell better stories. I am also enjoying sitting on my laptop working for 8 hours straight on a Sunday. That's crazy. YouTube became less about success and more about growth, both for my channel and for myself, because I know that YouTube is the best online business model for the next few years. There are so many search requests every day, and YouTube is still growing. Everybody with every topic can start a niche YouTube channel. There are so many good opportunities. I'm still a small creator. My channel isn't blowing up, and I'm not making any income. But building a YouTube channel has given me more than I expected. Even with under 1,000 subscribers, I feel like I've already won. And the upside potential of a good YouTube channel is so big, you can earn life-changing money with it. If you're thinking about starting YouTube or anything, here's what I've learned. Don't stress about going viral or making money right away. Just start. Show up, learn every day, try, and let yourself enjoy the process. It's not about making the perfect video right away. It's about getting better step by step. And if you stick with it, I promise, it's worth it. Now you can watch this video about how YouTube automation could work for you. Will you start a YouTube channel in 2025? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to join this journey with me, hit like and subscribe.